Well, a proposal to allow teachers to carry guns in Tennessee is nearing law. Thank you for joining us for News 2 at 4. I'm Mark Kelly. State Capitol reporter Chris O'Brien brings us inside this proposal.
Soon, teachers carrying guns in schools could be a reality in our state.
I think it's just one more thing teachers have to deal with. And unfortunately, I don't want a teacher to have to, moonlight as a cop in a school. And I don't want the teacher to get injured. I don't want the students to, be in a situation where they won't be safe. I just don't think this is the answer to school violence.
A bill to allow teachers and administrators to be armed passed the key Senate Judiciary Committee this week. It would require the teacher carrying to have a handgun carry permit, have a written authorization from the chief of local law enforcement, and complete 40 hours of basic training in school policing. The requirements are the same as what the state requires for school resource officers.
If I was a teacher, I wouldn't want to be armed, but I would stand between my students and a gunman, okay? But I don't want to be armed. Why is that? Because I don't have the training. I don't have the background. And when you look at this bill, here's the thing. It's not mandating that teachers do this.
More conservative Republicans say the bill gives another added layer to keep kids safe. Plus, they argue if you went in a different direction, like stricter gun laws, people would get guns anyway.
It's illegal to buy pot in Tennessee, but yet you all know you can go down any street corner and buy it, right? Just because you make something illegal doesn't mean it's no longer available.
Not every Republican has been on board for the bill. In the House, several who are considered more moderate voted against it in committee, joining every Democrat.
Universally, folks in Tennessee, they're okay with people having guns. I'm okay with people having guns. I just want folks to be safe. We have to have some sort of regulation in this.
The bill already passed every House committee last year before it was held on the desk. That means it can be recalled and inserted into a calendar whenever the bill sponsor is ready. If it passes, it will go into law once the governor either signs off on it or allows it to go into law without his signature. In Nashville, Chris O'Brien.
And as Chris mentioned, the bill has been around for more than a year, nearly passed last session, but a Senate Republican blocked it temporarily following the Covenant school shooting, saying his committee would not take up firearm legislation until the following year. Now, we want to hear from you, too. Do you support a proposal to allow teachers to carry guns in schools? Yes or no? You could vote by scanning that QR code that's on the screen there or go to WKRN.com.